When bonfire night goes wrong, heroes find themselves under fire. It was bonfire night, and firefighters were called to a blazing fire threatening nearby homes. They quickly connected to a hydrant and began their courageous battle against the flames. But suddenly the situation took a dark and dangerous turn. Groups of youths began lighting fireworks and hurling them at the firefighters, aiming to harm. With their safety compromised, the officer in charge made the tough call to pull the team back and summon the police. Police arrived swiftly, shields raised, to protect the heroes from this senseless assault. Order was restored, the fire was extinguished, and the community was safe once more. But remember, while firefighters are dealing with these deliberate, malicious attacks, they can't attend real emergencies where lives are at stake. If you support our brave firefighters and want to see more of their incredible efforts, like this video and subscribe to our channel.